Hi, these are just AP Calc notes for me. Today is the Riemann sum because I was struggling with that for a little bit, and I'm just explaining it to myself and whoever else wants to listen. So if you want to approximate something like this, these are all just variables. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the b minus a, b minus a. Then we're going to multiply it by this g, because we're taking the little left point, and g falls right there. So it's basically going to be b minus a times g, and you got that little part. Then you're going to add the same pattern over here with c and b. So it's going to be c minus b times h. You can see the little dots and boxes right there. So let's write that down really quick. C minus b times h. So just like that, and so on until you reach the end. So this was the problem I was doing just right now, and it says use the left point Riemann sum with 5 subintervals to approximate this little integral right here. Right out for you. 0 to 30 r of t dt. So we want to approximate this using the left point Riemann sum. And so basically we're going to do what we just did, but this time with numbers. So just to go over it one more time, we have here our little b minus a times whatever the dot falls on, 15. Just to, if you're confused. And then you just go ahead and do that for the rest of them. So this is what the whole equation would look like. We just follow this pattern for every value on the chart. I feel like I explained this part a little confusingly. So the reason we have like a 15, 60, 45, 60 right here is if you look at these little dots on the rectangles, they're on the left. Basically you're going to use the number that dot falls on. You can see that falls on 15, this one falls on 60, this one falls on 45. That's the way I think about it, at least. Maybe that's too complicated. I mean, not too complicated, but like maybe that's unnecessarily long. I don't know, dude. And after all of this, we should get 4,500 as our answer. So the answer is 4,500, approximately.